If you follow the steps correctly, you will have a stable professional version ready for all your work, just like you see here on the screen. So, right now, while I show you the installation process, I need to discuss some specific things regarding the setup, because security checks have become aggressive lately. So, listen closely to avoid unwanted notifications. First of all, regarding the system protection, if you see the setup fail at around 5 or 90%, it is likely your Defender or antivirus blocking necessary library components. The software relies on these files to operate independently, so check your protection history and restore them. Otherwise, it won't open. Secondly, let's talk about the internet connection. There is a background process designed to scan for external validation even after a successful install. If you leave your internet on and don't block the executable in your firewall, you might eventually get a pop-up locking you out. Usually, there is a short grace period before it stops working. So, go into your firewall with advanced security, create an outbound rule, and block it from accessing the internet to ensure it stays working for months. Also, regarding performance, while this installs, remember that this software uses your hard drive as temporary memory. If your system drive is full, you will get errors and won't be able to save. Make sure you have enough free space or assign a secondary drive in the preferences. Regarding AI features and advanced tools, usually these require cloud processing, which won't work in offline mode unless a local library is included. So check the README file for extra packages. Finally, check your GPU drivers, as this software relies heavily on acceleration for rendering. If the screen flickers or lags, it is usually because your drivers need an update. So, to sum it up, as you can see, everything is running smooth and stable on my end. I have blocked it in the firewall and verified the drive space. If you experience any issues, or it simply does not launch, go back and double-check the steps mentioned earlier, specifically regarding the security tools. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using the software.